Oh!
Bitaw, sagad. Yun yung ABS.
Okay.
Meron mo.
Yeah. Guys, magte-test drive tayo ngayon ng Honda City at Honda BRB dito mismo sa Cosmopolitan o Blue Leaf Cosmopolitan. Ayan. And guys, oh. Tara, samahan nyo ako guys. Magpa-register muna tayo tapos test drive na tayo.
A few moments later.
Hi.
So this is extreme course. It's an emergency case. So don't worry. It's instructor. It's very dangerous.
We have a seat here, and if I could just ask for your driver's license.
Yep.
So what?
Natin guys. Wow! Nice.
Wait, 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 no, no, no. Are you serious? Wait, wait, wait.
So let's start with the city. Built for the Philippine road since 1996, 30 years of reliability that you can count on. So we all know that the car is more than just a mode of transportation. It becomes a part of your everyday lifestyle, from weekday commutes and coffee runs to weekend drives and out-of-town trips. That's why the city was designed to elevate everyday life through a balance of premium styling, comfort, fuel efficiency, safety, and low cost of ownership.
Venue is Parklinks. So the first part of your test drive is just the transit to Parklinks. So for Blue Leaf, we head to Parklinks. Once we get to Parklinks, we'll get our first activity, which is the traction control test. You can see down below. So the traction control test is basically us simulating aquaplaning. So we made the road slippery, okay? And then we'll be driving as fast as 60 kilometers per hour on the slippery surface. Then we'll be asking you to brake, right? So normally you spin out because it's slippery, right? There's no traction for the car on the road. But you'll see with the city and the BRB, you will not spin out. You'll stay completely steady and stable, right? So this is showing the EBD, ABS, and force traction and stability control. Next,
Instructor po, si Sir Rob. Sir Rob. Hi, sir. Ito ka na sa likod. Anong variant ito, sir?
VX.
V.
Yung top of the line nila.
Ah, okay. VX.
Yeah, pagka ready ka na. Yung kanan na gulong, itungtong mo rin sa full stop.
Okay.
Itutungtong mo dun sa white ring strip na yan. Tapos, from here, aarangkada ka, sagad. Pagdating dun sa cone na yan, bitawan mo. Pagdating dun sa blue, full stop ka.
Ulitin natin uli. Dadaanan ko yan, di ba?
Oo, yung right side,
Okay.
lang.
Okay.
Arangkada ka,
Okay.
sagad.
Okay.
Pagdating dun sa cone na yan, bitaw. Bitaw sa gas.
Okay.
Pagdating sa blue na cone, sagad na preno. Full stop.
Okay, so tatakbo ko mabilis ngayon.
Ganyan.
Okay.
Pagdating sa cone, bitaw.
Bitaw.
Ganun ako.
Okay.
Bitaw. Pagdating dun sa blue,
Full stop.
full stop.
Okay. Titingnan natin pag nag-slip.
Oo. Yo. Bitaw. Sagad. Yun yung ABS.
Okay.
Meron mo.
Oh,
Ngayon, rangkada mo. Sagad. Dito sa white. Yan. Di ka aabante yan. Badal mo. Tapos, pero in control ka pa rin.
Okay.
Kaliwa tayo. Check sa gate. Ngayon naman, maintain yung speed mo. 30 siguro.
Okay.
Yung paa mo steady lang sa gas.
Okay.
Tapos mag-steer ka. Yan, kaliwa, kanan, kaliwa, kanan. Pero steady lang yung paa mo.
Okay. Dito sa slalom na to.
Oo.
Okay.
Sige. ito meron din itong lane assist.
Okay.
Pagka naliligaw ka, kaya lang walang mga line dito. Eh.
Okay. So hindi niya ma-detect.
Ma-detect yun. Sa
Okay.
junction, kakaliwa tayo. Tapos, meron din ito yung cruise control, adaptive cruise control.
Dito na ba?
Doon sa
Sa pinakadulo.
ayan, di ba? Dyan.
Okay.
Yung adaptive cruise control,
Okay.
pag nasa traffic ka, isa-set mo.
Okay.
Kaya mo na 30, traffic eh, EDSA eh.
Mm.
Tapos, pag umabante na yung kotse sa harap, susunod na siya.
Okay.
Huminto siya, ipreno
Hinto rin siya. Oo.
Tapos, umabante siya, ganun din siya.
Parang sumusunod lang.
Doon tayo sa may taro. Papasok tayo sa doon.
Dito.
Yan, diretso tayo.
Okay.
Tapos, itong paddle shift. Ano na yan?
Okay.
Ayan, ano na yan. Kung dito, pabilis.
Okay.
Doon, pabagal.
Okay. Lalagay ko.
Okay lang yan sa drive.
Okay.
Pag steady ka lang ng paa.
Okay.
Tapos shift mo lang. Pitikin mo yan, 3. Pitikin mo. Nasa 5 ka na. Pitikin mo yung kaliwa, bababa.
Decelerate. Okay.
Ayun, 2.
Okay.
Down mo ka ng 1. Pumunta doon.
Okay.
So, isa sa mga feature nitong mga
Okay.
kotse.
Okay.
Sa kaliwa tayo dyan ngayon.
Parang hindi ako gumamit ng sport nun Parang dumiretso sa ganun Diretso dun, sir. Parang dumiretso kagad siya sa parang nag-manual siya,
Oo. Kaya ano yan, anytime pwede mo pitikin.
Ang ganda.
Diretso lang tayo doon.
Okay. Ito.
Yung nose test.
Okay.
Ibang may magda-drive para sa iyo.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Dito na ako lilipat.
Sige, na lang.
Okay. And there you go. Ako naman ngayon ang pasahero. Yeah. Hey George.
Howdy.
Howdy. Nagkita tayo sa sa stansya.
Stansya.
Naalala mo yung nag-selfie sa'yo sa supermarket?
Yes.
Oh, no. Sabi
Stansya.
sa'yo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stansya.
Stansya Mall sa may ano ba yun? Yung Unimart.
Yes.
Ako yun.
Now we're here in the car.
Again. Kasi madalas ka sa madalas ka sa mga ng test drive ng mga sasakyan. Usually sa Ford, di ba?
No, all
O,
actually.
lahat actually.
Yeah.
Kasi nung
Almost all. I don't do
yung parang hindi
Toyota.
Oh,
Not so much. Just did it once or twice.
mm.
But all the others mostly.
Kasi dati ang last ko yata napanood sa iyo yung nag-test drive ka sa Ford Ranger Raptor
In the one with the jump.
Yes.
Yeah. That was a good one. But even now, BYD, I do Denza, the Chinese ones.
We
Still do Porsche and Audi, like that.
incoming yung yung Sea Lion 7
Yeah.
this May 28.
Yeah. So, still doing almost all of them. Anyway, so everyone's buckled up, seatbelts,
Okay.
and then anything that's going to fly around, hang on to it because it will fly around. Okay. Now, what you see, this is called the moose test.
Okay.
So, in front of us, you see the left lane, and then there's like 2 cones in front of it. That's pretending to be the moose that jumped in front of the car. And we're gonna swerve onto the right lane. Then on the right lane, you see this row of cones here. That's the end of the road, right? So pretend that everything on the other side of that is either oncoming traffic, banqueta, railing, poste, tree, shoulder, or parked cars. Could be anything, right? So we're gonna go through that without stepping on the brakes, and you're gonna feel the stability control and traction, just stability control system work, which is very it has everything to do with the electronic brake distribution system of the car. So now a lot of cars have stability control, right? But there's different levels of sophistication. and here they have a very good level of sophistication, and you can tell when the car comes out of this, even though making ilag is already a great thing, you'll notice afterwards the car just goes and straight. It doesn't start oscillating after, because sometimes you'll avoid this, but then the car still goes like that, and that's where you hit something there, there, like that, right? So this one is very good, and we're not using the Prelude or the expensive Hondas. No, we're just on the base. This is how small the hole that we're gonna shoot in. Right, the other cars are coming. So you guys already did the linoleum, right?
Yes, sir.
So that's the same thing. That's electronic brake distribution, right? Working. It's one super slippery, one super grippy, right? And the brakes, though the guy was slamming on the brakes with his foot, it was deciding how much brake pressure to put in this one and how much brake pressure to put in that one, so that the car would remain stable, right? Here naman, what's happening is if my hand's going this way, if my pinky hits this finger, the rest of the hand will keep moving forward. So look at the width of my hand, it's going like this.
Yes.
Right? So when you're turning a car, if the sensors pick up that tail wants to come out already, it's going to brake in the front right only. Right? So then when it does that, the rest of the car wants to go forward, so it brings back the tail. When it goes to the other side, the left front will brake, and then it'll bring back the car like that. So that's how it's trying to keep stable. So if I can turn off the wipers, I will, but if not, I want you to concentrate on the sound, because you'll hear the ABS sound on the right front only, and then the left only. Okay, when we're doing this. So everyone buckled up and ready to go? All right, here we go.
Ooh!
Straight as an arrow.
Right.
Okay?
Yeah.
And that's without touching the brakes. You could hear the brakes
Yeah.
pressing and pressing like that.
Yeah.
So it's stabilizing itself like that.
Yeah.
So
Galing ah.
so that's what we wanted to show, that it's the sophisticated system that's on these cars, right? And for, sometimes say, I drive slow naman, I don't do anything, I won't need that. But you never know. It's maybe that we don't have moose here in the Philippines, but you're going down NLEX, you're traveling faster than what we were doing, and if the laman of the truck in front just suddenly falls out, that's the same thing, right? You're just like, ilag, right? It's exactly the same
Baka
thing.
white lady.
Well, iba naman yan, pare.
White lady test.
You can be here.
And then use yours to be the red one.
Be driving now, guys.
Sorry for the greens here.
Hi, good afternoon. And the city naman. Nice. Okay.
Sige sir, so we'll wait lang muna for them to clear out, then we'll reverse lang sir.
Okay. Anong variant ito, sir?
Yung S sir.
S next to RS ba to?
Yung
O V yung
V yung kasunod sir.
So
Ito yung
RS
entry model.
okay, RS V and then S.
Yes sir.
Okay.
Pero even though with the S, may Honda sensing din siya.
Okay.
So yung mga features, yung medyo critical na features, yun yung meron siya in terms of yung mga safety.
So it's more on safety, parang ginawa nilang standard na
Yes sir, opo. Amongst the line, yung pinaka-safety natin, talagang yun sir, amongst the lines natin. Then medyo the interior, yun yung iba variant sir, may reverse cam. Ito sir, wala. And then yun iba medyo interior wise naman halos same lang, trimmings lang konti.
Okay,
A
oo.
bit of color pa.
Oo.
Pero halos the same lang sila sir. Yung RS sir, may paddle shift.
Okay.
Ito, sir. Pero they're halos same lang din yung mga drivetrain nila, sir.
Same engine naman sila, ano?
Yes, sir.
Lahat.
Opo.
Oo. May balita ba, sir, na magkakaroon sila ng hybrid?
Ayun ba? Yung mga current lang. Pero si Honda kasi, sir, yung design thinking niya, medyo traditional pa rin siya on ICE engine. Pero high output siya. Parang yun yung technology ni Honda yung sa engines nila. Parang low displacement, high output, matipid pero malakas, yung ganun.
Maganda rin yung performance.
Yes, sir,
ano?
and economical. Yun yung thinking nila, sir. Kaya yung battery technology, baka eventually, sir, lahat naman nag-transition din.
Kasi yung Vios meron na silang hybrid yung Active.
Yes, sir, opo.
Pero I think wala pa sa wala pa silang sa Honda,
Yung at that level, wala, sir.
Wala pa,
Wala pa, sir.
But maybe soon magkakaroon din
Yes, sir,
sila.
for sure. Lahat, kumbaga, sumasabay dun sa trend. And then, of course, din, yung mga regulations din natin. So,
Correct.
talagang susunod at susunod sila, sir.
So, sa akin lang, sir,
Yes, sir.
out of curiosity,
Opo.
bakit bigla ang nagkaroon ng parang pa-test drive si Honda ngayon? Ay, dati kasi di naman sila masyadong into that, magpa-test
yes,
drive.
yung-
Parang solely sila lang talaga nag-offer ngayon.
Yes, sir.
Anong
Yung
meron kaya?
before kasi, syempre, tayo yung, to be honest, yung repeat customers natin, sir, medyo konti. Kasi yung Honda nila, yun yung tuloy-tuloy pa din nila nagagamit.
Gamit, oo.
So, right now, it's funny din kasi, sir, lahat ng halos mga invitees din natin, mga Honda users na but the thing, yung thinking ni Honda, sir, is we need to attract the newer generation of customers. Yun yung niya, sir. Kasi alam naman natin, very long established na rin tayo dito So, yung mga may alam na nila yun. But the newer ones, sir, yun yung medyo rin-reach out po namin para to educate them din. Na kahit sabihin natin, ang daming lumabas na bago, pero iba pa din yung roots natin or yung traditional na driving feels. So, more on lang, sir, kasi yung demographics ng owners, meron din tayong yung mga young owners pero medyo older models naman yung inaano nila. Then may mga new drivers with the new cars. Yun, sir, yung reach out namin.
Pero kumusta yung yung competition natin ang Japanese versus yung mga Chinese brands ngayon? Kasi sobrang aggressive
sir,
naman.
talagang mahigpit ang laban na yun, sir. Talagang the other competitors, todo sila, todo budget, todo. And then yung mga sir, yung mga from the Far East naman, sir. Ang laki ng mga budget nila, sir, para magdala ng mga units and all that. So for them, yun yung play nila. Itotodo. Tayo, we're on the reputation of our brand Yun lang naman yung pinoprotektahan natin dito, yung brand natin we're just trying to be more out there na lang.
Alam mo, sir, kasi isa po akong vlogger, content
Yes, sir.
creator, no? And yun nga, may mga nabasa ako dun sa mga comment section ko rin that dati kong mga mga videos about Chinese brands.
Yes, sir.
May mga nagsabi nga na okay na tayo sa mga Chinese brands because yun nga parang matagal na tayong niloloko ng mga Japanese dahil sobra
World War II
hindi not that yung yung nga daw sabi nga daw nila na sobrang mahal daw ng Japanese brands tapos low tech daw. Parang kasi tayo mga Pinoy kasi pag high tech parang parang iba yung natin parang doon tayo nadadali ng di ba ng mga Chinese cars ngayon, di ba?
Although sabihin natin, sir, yes, madami sila magbigay ng features. Pero parang let's say 60% hindi mo naman din siya applicable din sa atin.
Correct.
And then yung additional dun, sir, yun yung way ng Chinese brands na medyo bumawi. So they will overload you with features.
Correct.
Pero in comparison, minsan tayo we want more pero we don't know kung ano talaga yung kailangan natin sa driving.
Tsaka kung kung hanggang kailan tatagal yung sasakyan sa'yo
Yun, sir.
Yun ang tinitignan kasi meron akong customer na medyo senior na.
Yes, sir.
Na nakatira dito sa Ayala, Alabang and I was asking nga na kung okay ba sa kanya yung mga Chinese brands ngayon na
Yes, sir.
which magaganda yung mga features, competitive yung price.
Yes, sir. Yun, number one.
Sabi niya sa akin still doon pa rin daw siya sa mga Japanese brands because nga daw yung reliability and hindi din natin masabi kung gaano katagal
Yes, sir.
yung
Oo.
sasakyan sa iyo, no? But may mga ano din ako may mga followers din ako na nagsabi na tumagal na sa kanila ng almost sometimes magpa 5 years na yung iba,
Yes,
ganoon,
sir.
masaya naman sila. May iba naman mga skeptic pa, no? Tayo dito kasi sa Honda, I mean, ako personally parang nakita ko yung performance ng Honda
Yes, sir.
na talagang ever since maganda.
Oo.
Diba?
Yung mga
Tibay.
drag days, yung mga
Ito kasi, I mean, sa ibang bansa kasi ang isa sa mga medyo mahigpit na ano nito, medyo kakumpit nito
Yes.
is I think itong Mazda and Volkswagen sa part ng China, ano.
Yes, sir.
Kasi that time na yun, nung way back 2010, wala talagang EV.
Yes, sir.
Wala ring hybrid sa kanila. But that time na yon, nakita ko yung competition in between the Honda, Mazda, Volkswagen, Mini Cooper. Doon ko nakita. Pero yung Toyota, parang naging iba ang segment dun sa China eh.
Oo, naging yung sariling segment din siya.
Di ba?
Kasi minsan parang mahirap talaga i-compare eh. Kaya kailangan mo siya its own segment amongst the Chinese brands.
Actually, medyo nahihirapan ngayon ang Japanese cars na kumumpit sa mga Chinese eh.
Laki ng budget nila, sir.
Pero kung gagawin nila yung ganito, siguro may edge pa rin kahit paano, di ba? Okay guys, nakita nyo naman kung paano namin i-test drive ang dalawang Honda variants, the BR-V and also the City. And I am totally impressed doon sa kanilang safety features na wherein hindi ko po na-test sa mga ibang brands. At first time ko lang rin po makasubok ng ganitong klaseng mga yung safety test. Exclusive only dito lang sa Honda, mga ka-idol. And mind you guys, talagang pinaghandaan po ito ng Honda na which parang nagkaroon sila dito ng parang it's a welcome to the customers or yung guest na para lang ma-feel lang talaga nila na kung gaano kahalaga para sa Honda ang kanilang mga customers. 'Di ba? They don't care about kung gaano ka modern yung mga designs ng mga sasakyan ngayon. They don't care kung gaano ka aesthetic yan, ka high-tech yan, but they prefer yung safety features, mga ka-idol, and I truly attest na talagang napakasuwabe. And right now, nandito ako ngayon sa loob ng Honda BR-V. Ayan, mga ka-idol, as you can see, napaka-basic ng itsura ng Honda BR-V, ano? Ayan, walang masyadong aesthetics. Kumbaga, kung ikaw yung taong medyo old school, yung drive-in go and drive-in go lang, mga ka-idol, siguro you truly appreciate this MPV, mga ka-idol. First impression ko dito ay medyo striking yung kanyang look, hindi masyadong bold, but definitely very functional, mga ka-idol, dahil unang-una maluwag para sa akin, stable at okay yung power, ano? Although yung engine nito ay same lang rin yung ginamit na engine ng Honda City. But once na tinest drive mo na ito, mga ka-idol, o dinrive mo ito, mga ka-idol, you can feel the difference in between the sedan and also the VR-V. Dahil ito, kahit 1.5 engine lang, mga ka-idol, na MPV, I truly attest na talagang hindi ka mapapahiya when it comes to power, mga ka-idol. Feeling ko nga parang na-tweak ito ng konti, ano? And according dun sa mga nakausap ko, Honda is talagang one of the classic performance car ng mga Japanese. Ayan, oh. As you can see, mga ka-idol, napakaluwag ng legroom, napaka-basic. Ito yung sasakyan na madali mong i-drive, hindi ka mahirapan na magseremonya whatsoever. Hindi lang dito sa cockpit, but also dito sa kanyang second row seat mga ka-idol. And guys, so this is all about, no? Ayan, napaka-spacious ng kanyang legroom, yung kanyang headroom, and meron na rin siyang air vents dito sa second row seat. Although dito medyo makipot na mga ka-idol, no? But definitely mga bata na lang ang isasakay mo dyan. But dito, okay na okay, komportable mga ka-idol. And ideal na rin ito for long drive mga ka-idol, kagaya ng punta ka ng Baguio. At may suksukan dito para sa inyong cellphone mga ka-idol, kagaya niya, no? Yan. At medyo maliit lang yung kanyang center aisle dito, no? Ayan dito. Ayos mga ka-idol. So guys, if you are contemplating buying a brand new MPV and you are looking or leaning for a Honda BRB, if I were you, try nyo munang i-test drive ang Honda BRB. Sigurado magugustuhan nyo talaga mga ka-idol. Especially yung kanilang top variant, magugustuhan mo mga ka-idol. Then ngayon, papakita ko rin sa inyo yung interior ng Honda City. Ito mga ka-idol ay hindi masyadong bold, but definitely mapapawaw ka sa kanyang cabin space, power, and also fuel efficiency. At isa po yan sa mga tinitingnan ko sa isang kotse. Okay? Hindi ako masyadong into tech features, hindi ako masyado into design. Basta as long na medyo relevant yung design, okay na sa akin yan. And as long na easy to drive, okay na okay sa akin yun, idol.
Well, the exterior design of the Honda BRV is really, really good, especially with this SUV style, like styling. Very important to our Filipino customers.
And guys, Honda City. Ayan, tingnan nyo guys, tingnan nyo kung gaano siya ka-spacious, yung kanyang legroom, yung kanyang headroom, kung gaano kalaki yung kanyang dashboard. All it's made of plastic, but premium mga ka-idol. Ito ay plastic din, pero mukha siyang leather, yung kanyang texture. Ito ay fabric din, and swivel type manual adjustment. Okay? And wala nang nilagay dito na center armrest mga ka-idol. Pero available naman yung kanyang cup holder sa gitna. Then ito yung kanyang AC and infotainment, touchscreen infotainment, and yung kanyang steering wheel. Okay? Isa po ito sa mga kursunada ko na features ng Honda City. Then punta naman tayo dito sa bandang likuran.
And then carrying cargo volume of 530 liters for up to 3 large suitcases with room for extra double bags. And lastly, maybe...
Ayan guys, see? Kita nyo? Yan. Ganyan ka-generous ang Honda City. Yan, At napaka-komportable ng kanyang mga cushioning o yung kanyang foams. Ayan, alam mo yun, yung feeling na simple pero luxury. Di ba? Yung mafe-feel mo yung luxury Ayan. Ayos. So ayan guys, sakaling buying din po kayo ng bagong kotse, and if you are not leaning dun sa mga hybrid or EV, okay na itong Honda City mga ka-idol. Ito yung kotse na masasabi ko na pwede mong i-keep. Pwede mo ring gawing lifetime. Depende kung paano mo alagaan ito mga ka-idol, but definitely sure win ito mga ka-idol. Panalo talaga ito. So ayun guys, tinest drive namin yung dalawang Honda variants, the VRV and also the City, and we truly experience the best comfort and safety that Honda has to offer. Kaya ayan guys, see, They have a lot of test drives here na wherein lahat ay talagang masasabi ko na papasa sa inyong mga requirement. Kaya if you are buying a brand new car and you are leaning towards Honda, why don't you go for a test drive muna, 'di ba? Malay mo baka ito na iuwi mo, mga idol.